Hi, this is Architect Car Audio Visual in Winchester. There's a little video of a Defender commercial that we've done an audio upgrading. It's quite a popular thing to have done now in these commercials, as they are a basic system. We've soundproofed all the doors, as you can hear. That's so when we replace the speakers, which we've replaced these with Audison Prima Power Series tweeter and bass. There is an option to have a mid-range, 2-inch mid-range in here, but we've got to replace these grills, which on a Defender commercial you don't have the grill version. But as these tweeters, they drive down at sort of 3,500 hertz. It's a really good tweeter. You kind of can quite easily get away with a two-way system in these. We've also got the DRC here, mounted in that location there for your sub control, and that is controlling a amplifier that we have. If I move the seat, it's actually hidden behind here. We've opened the box up there, so underneath that flooring is the amplifier, and then you can just see the power cable going to the active 10-inch subwoofer that's mounted underneath there. We've opened these up for access for the customer to put store stuff in. This all goes in and utilises the audio from the original unit. We've de-equalised this with the Forza software, the bit drive, and we can clean the audio from this stereo system before it even goes to the amplifier stage of the amplifier we've fitted, and then we can do the time alignment. This has been tuned, and it's got 2 presets that are adjustable on the DRC down here. If you'd like to have this done in your Defender commercial or any Defender, then please give us a call. 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.